So hey, this is Larry Yeager at Yeager Cycle, and I learned something the other day on one of the Pan American forums. And here I've owned this motorcycle for a couple of years and hadn't figured this out yet. But if you've had troubles with your clock not keeping time, it being slow, there is a fix for that. So there's two settings basically in the setup of the clock in the instrument module, or IM as we refer to it. There's one that will sync it to the HD app and it sets your time, or there's one that does not and it keeps time. So I was going to show you right quick, if for some reason your Pan America has been losing time on the clock, it's because it's set up to sync once you have Bluetooth your phone to it and your phone was within range to connect to it, and then it updates the clock. Otherwise, you can disable that function, and I'll show you how to do that to where it just keeps time for you. So I'll show you right here on this instrument how you do that. So basically, turn the vehicle on, and you want to go to settings. So you're going to hit the multi-screen button, and you're going to scroll over to settings, and you're going to hit general, and you're going to come down to HD app time sync, and you're going to disable that so that basically it doesn't sync to your phone every time you're in range. Then you're going to want to come down one more deal to adjust clock. Pretty self-explanatory from there. You set your time and it will keep time for you. So it's something I just recently learned and thought I'd pass that on. Thank you.